All right, there we have it. Guilty on all counts. Not a surprise, really, is it? Well, now the case is rolling on into the penalty phase. In just a few minutes, the jury's due back into the courtroom to be hearing evidence. Of course, the state is trying to put him to death. His defense team is going to try to save his life. Let me bring in my guest, attorney John Mobley, and talk about what is ahead. John, you've been a prosecutor. You practice criminal defense in the private sector now. Talk to me, please, here about what the attorneys are doing, probably right at this moment as you and I are here talking. What are they doing, please?
Well, what they should be doing is executing the game plan they had in place already. I mean, they had to anticipate the high probability of this outcome of the verdict of guilty in this case and knew they were going to lose that battle. My guess is they should have been preparing for winning the war, which is avoiding the death penalty in the penalty phase. So what I've been doing in a case like this is I've got to always ask myself, what is the jury thinking based on the evidence they've heard? And I can tell you what I think the jury's thinking. They're thinking that that guy's a monster. They're thinking, what kind of person would commit a crime like that? What kind of person would not only, lie in wait and kill the mother of his child, but kill his 3-year-old son in such a violent and graphic nature? And why should they extend him any empathy or any sympathy whatsoever in the penalty phase? So understanding that's what the jury is thinking, what the defense, I'm certain, and I hope have done, is started thinking, okay, well, what can we do to kind of counter that? So what they need to be doing at this point is trying to humanize their client. If it was me, the first thing I would do is put that defendant on the witness stand. I mean, and they should have prepared him extensively. He needs to get on that witness stand and accept responsibility for his conduct. He needs to show remorse. He needs to say that, he understands he committed a horrible act and he sees his son's face in his dreams every night. And he needs to put all that out there. They need to, humanize that defendant. The jury needs to see this man has remorse and, and say, okay, maybe this guy's not a monster. I think they also want to put up his wife, but,
and his kids.
His kids.
Yeah, all victims too, by the way. Yeah,
exactly.
All victims
give the jury
too.
something
His wife,
to think about.
His kids. He's ruined their lives as well.